Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to set up Python, use tools for coding, and plan programs before writing them. This is your first step into programming, so let's keep it simple and fun. By the end of this session, you'll be able to install Python and configure it for coding, choose an integrated development environment to write and debug code efficiently, how to build a foundation for creating a basic Python script, break down tasks logically to find solutions and plan with flowcharts and pseudocode, and organize ideas visually before coding for clarity. To start coding, download Python from python.org or the Microsoft Store. Just run the installer and follow the steps. It's like installing any other software. Once done, open Python idle, and you were ready. Think of it as setting up a new phone. Once it's installed, you can start using it. An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is like a powerful coding assistant. It helps detect errors, suggests code, and speeds up programming. PyCharm is a popular free IDE for Python that you can try. Think of it like Word, where it corrects your spelling and grammar as you type, but for code. Before coding, plan your program. Problem analysis. Understand what you need to solve. Modular design. Break the problem into smaller pieces, like solving a puzzle one piece at a time. Algorithm design. Write step-by-step instructions. Planning saves time and avoids confusion later. Ask yourself, what exactly needs to be solved? What should the program do? Are there limits, like time or budget? For example, if you're making a login system, you'd ask, how should users sign in? How fast should it work? Clear questions lead to clear solutions. Requirements come in two types. Functional requirements, what the program must do, like, let users log in. Non-functional requirements, how it should work, like, load the login page in 2 seconds. Functional requirements are must-haves, non-functional are about quality. How to gather requirements. To find out what users need, try interviews, talk to them directly. Surveys, ask many people quickly. Brainstorming, generate ideas in a group. Prototyping, build a simple version for feedback. It's like planning a party, you ask guests what they want. Set goals that are SMART. S specific, clear and detailed. M measurable, you can track progress. A achievable, realistic with your resources. R relevant, matches the project's purpose. T time-bound, has a deadline. For example, improve website loading speed by 30% within 3 months. 2 ways to solve problems. Top-down, start with the big picture, then break it down, like planning a trip day by day. Bottom-up, build small parts first, then combine them, like assembling Lego blocks. Top-down is easier to plan, bottom-up is great for reusing code. A flowchart is a visual guide for your program. It uses symbols: oval, start, end; rectangle, a step, for example, ask for input; diamond, a decision, for example, is the number even? Arrows show the flow, it's like a map for your code. Or let's check if a number is odd or even using a flowchart. First, start in an oval and ask for a number using a parallelogram input symbol. Next, check if the number modulo 2 equals 0 using a diamond decision symbol. If true, display even number in a parallelogram output symbol, otherwise, display odd number. Finally, end the process in an oval. Notice how the diamond shape in the flowchart splits the path. That represents a decision point. Keep flowcharts clean and easy to follow. Use standard symbols, no inventing. Flow top to bottom or left to right, like reading a book. Avoid crossed lines, it gets messy. A good flowchart is like a clear recipe, anyone can follow it. Pseudocode is a simplified way to describe a program's logic using plain English. In this example, first, ask for a number. Then, check if the number mod 2 equals 0, meaning it has no remainder. If true, output even, otherwise, output odd. Pseudocode doesn't require perfect syntax, just clear logic. Pseudocode rules are: keep pseudocode simple, use clear steps like calculate total, include inputs and outputs, add conditions, like if, else, and loops. That's it. You have learned how to set up Python, plan programs, and use flowcharts, pseudocode. Next time, I'll bring another coding lesson. Happy coding, and don't forget to subscribe to watch the next video.